taking shots at random ends in a phantom. Chicks taking flicks of the kid like I'm plankton. Staring, stargaze, they call it fandom. Dare any man try test me track for track. Swear down you're getting bodied back to back. If you are put your money up rap for rap, that is getting took like council tax. If WCW be a fan of me, she will find out if she can handle it. G slide in the DMs, you know I'm linking that. Show up in an all purple suit with a Fenty cap. You would have thought I was a pimp named Slick, but hey, artist name, yours truly, me. Where is that tune? You will never know. That's on a completely different channel with completely different content, with a completely different side of your boy and Jais. That's on this one right here. But anyway, Nakangen Def, sa Jambar and Jais la back again with the 7th Wolof session Jerome Nyar. And today we're gonna do times of day, time frames, and also certain words you would call family members. So let's get straight into it. First, you got morning, suba, suba, morning, suba, suba, morning, suba. And then you got afternoon, which is bechik, afternoon, bechik. And then you got early evening, so like 5 to 7 or 6 to 7, early evening, you got ungon, early evening, ungon. And then you got night, goody, night, goody. Now we move on to time frames. Now this is going to be a bit weird, but this is just how Wolof people do it, you know what I mean? So first, we'll start off with yesterday. So yesterday is Demba, yesterday, Demba. And then the day before yesterday is Barki Demba, the day before yesterday, Barki Demba. And now Wolof people, which is why I said it's a bit weird, they take it a day even further and they say the literal translation is the day before yesterday. So that's the literal meaning, which is Barkati Demba. Barkati Demba. That's the day before yesterday. Barkati Demba. But to put that in terms that you will understand, is basically 3 days before the present day. 3 days before the present day. So I'm recording this on the 20th of July. So that's the 17th of July. 3 days before the present day. Then you move on to tomorrow, which is Elik. Tomorrow, Elik. And then you got the day after tomorrow, which is Ganau Elik, which is basically behind tomorrow. But that's what Ganau means. Ganau means behind. So the day after tomorrow, Ganau Elik, the day after tomorrow, Ganau Elik. And then obviously they take it further and say the literal translation again is the day after tomorrow, which is Ganawati Elik. The day after tomorrow, Ganawati Elik, which again the actual translation is basically 3 days after the present day. So as I said, I'm recording this on the 20th of July. That would be the 23rd of July. So 3 days in front of the present day. Now we move on to certain terms that you would call family members. So mum, dad, brother, sister, and then we'll do grandma and granddad as well. But before that, first I gotta tell you what old is. So old is mak, old, mak. And then you got young, that is wait a minute, sorry, had to gather my thoughts right there. So yeah, older or old, mak, old, mak. And then younger is raka, younger, raka. And then you got boy, which is gor, boy, gor, boy, gor. And then you got girl, which is jigen, girl, jigen. Now the reason why I just told you that is because Wolof people don't have just a simple word for just brother or sister. They say older sister, older brother, younger sister. So that's why I just had to tell you that right there. Alright, so let's get into it. So first we'll do older brother, which as I said mak, but because you're saying older brother, you put magi, gor. So obviously magi is the older and then the gor is the boy. So magi gor, that's older brother. Magi gor, older brother. And then older sister Magi Jigen. So Magi old, and then the Jigen is girl. So Magi Jigen, which is older sister Magi Jigen. Then when you want to say younger brother, you go Rak. Obviously younger is Raka, but obviously when you're putting it into younger brother, you say Raki, Gor. Raki Gor. So Raki is the younger and the Gor is the boy. Raki Gor, younger brother. Raki Gor. And then the younger sister is Raki Jigen. That's younger sister. Raki Jigen. And then you got mom, Yai. Mom, Yai. And then you got dad, which is papa. Simple, papa. Dad, papa. And then you got grandma. That is, what is grandma again? I'm not gonna pause it. What is grandma? Grandma. Grandma, mommy Jigen. So mommy, that mom, that just means grand. So mommy Jigen, the Jigen meaning girl. So mommy Jigen, grandmother, mommy Jigen. And then you got granddad, mommy Gor. That's granddad, mommy Gor. The Gor meaning boy and the mom meaning grand, mommy Gor. So yeah, hopefully I did not confuse you there, but that's just how they do it, you know what I mean? Hopefully you understand it. If you don't, just let me know down below in the comments and I can elaborate further, you know what I mean? But anyway, hope you enjoyed that video. Sa jambar njay sla, bebe nenyon.